singer DinDin donated 10 million won to Turkey and Syria to help recover from the earthquakes. On February 8, DinDin posted a screenshot of the transfer of 10 million won to the Korean Red Cross through his personal SNS. DinDin expressed regret, saying, "I hope I can be of some help, and I hope that you will return to your warm daily life as soon as possible." "I hope there will be no more damage," and left Turkey and Syria flag emoticons. Earlier on February 6, more than 8,000 people were killed in the 7.8 magnitude earthquake that struck Turkey and Syria, followed by large-scale aftershocks. As search and rescue operations continue, the number of victims is rapidly increasing, and additional damage is likely to occur as more aftershocks are likely to occur. Actor and singer Yang Dong-gun was also reported to have donated 10 million won. Turkey and South Korea have long been considered brother countries, and many more people are sure to follow suit to show their support. View this post on Instagram, a post shared by DinDin, at DinDin.
Somehow I held on with a good hand to remind me that what I live much like I have not the heart to tell you that, and when I have to tell you the truth, but you pulled me by the door. We got so close we can't taste it now. Love